Okay. Let's see what we got going on. We got cooking. Good morning, traders, and welcome to the smoothest live stream on the entire internet. My name is Lou Smooth. You guys can call me Smooth, and today is the day the Lord has made. What's up, everyone? Hopefully you guys are feeling good, ready for a week of trading. Finally, a full week, not these shortened weeks where we get nothing done. But we are live now, guys, and looks like the markets right now are starting to give some back. I think we might be coming to revisit that VWAP here in just a second. And first we get started, I'd say hello to my lovely wife here. Mrs. Smooth, what's up, Mrs. Smooth? How you doing? And my P&L for some reason is not showing up. I don't know why. Sometimes OBS does this, but let me fix that real quick. Miss Smooth, go ahead and keep them entertained while I take care of this.
Keep them entertained.
Yeah, keep them entertained. Do some song and
I was
dance.
6 afraid of 7.
Something like that.
Imagine I saw I was 6 afraid of 7. They're like 6, 7. Gosh, I can't stand that. I only can't stand it because we have an 11-year-old that does it all the time.
I gotta reset transform. All right, let me fix this.
I started doing that, but Katarina doesn't really say anything when I say 8, 9. I don't know why. I don't get it. Say I was 6 afraid of 7. Cause 7, 8, 9.
There we go, almost there.
They don't laugh.
Keep them entertained, babe. Keep them entertained. That's why I don't call them mom jokes. That's why they don't call them mom jokes.
That's why they don't call them mom jokes. And good morning, everyone. How was your 4th of July? Beautiful independence of America.
That's why they definitely don't call them mom jokes.
Yeah. We went to a parade. It was pretty nice.
Oh, that parade was cool.
Yeah, it was pretty cool.
It made me realize why we love living here.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, until those people came with the water guns, I was like, yeah.
Yeah, but the water guns are
I'll
cool.
just spend an hour in my hair for my hair to get. Oh goodness.
There was a guy.
They made it seem like they were killing them because I heard a girl screaming like her life depended on it.
There was a guy who got locked up for doing drive-by water gun shootings. Have you saw that?
What happened?
There was a guy who got thrown in jail for doing drive-by water gun shootings.
What?
Did you hear about it?
No.
No? He was they sell these high-powered water guns now. They like shoot like a machine gun. It's like da 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 like that.
Yeah.
And you can shoot like I don't know, maybe like
a BB gun kind of.
not like a B. Well, it's harder than a regular water gun, obviously, but you can shoot like maybe 30 to 50 feet away. So the guy's having somebody drive him while he's shooting people. And I mean, it's harmless. It's a prank, right? It's not like he's shooting people with like bleach like they used to do with the super soakers back in the day.
Yeah.
People used to put bleach in super soakers and go around getting people with bleach.
Sure,
I don't know if you guys ever heard that. But yeah, no, I thought it was pretty funny, but the guy got locked up for it. I guess you would be scaring a lot of people, right? You could cause some injury or cause somebody to
Don't do it if it's random
retaliate.
people.
You know, maybe it's the wrong.
Babe, te estoy hablando.
What happened? Sorry.
I said if it's a random person, of course they're gonna get offended.
Imagine.
Do it to people that are friends and family.
Like, come on, man, we just playing. Imagine if it was a Dominican girl who just did her hair. Oh man, that'd be the end of it.
Raphael said, "Smooth, you did your wife's hair. Great job."
I did do her hair. I cut it.
Cut my hair.
I cut it over the weekend, didn't I?
Yes.
Or like last week, I think, at some point.
I mean, I've always had my hair in a ponytail or
Yeah.
something, but yeah.
Johnny is in several trades at the moment. Your live is not eligible for recommendation and restricted in certain results because it contains unoriginal or reproduced content. This is in line with TikTok. Why do you keep saying that? I massively hate you, TikTok. I really do. I really do.
Basically saying like he can't go live and stuff.
Like you've been reproduced. You're a fake Andrew Tate. That's what they're saying.
Saying he's a fake entertainer.
Fake Andrew Tate.
Fake Andrew Tate?
Yeah, that's what they said. I'm a fake Andrew Tate. They think I'm an AI version of Andrew Tate.
Doesn't make any sense.
That's what they're saying.
It's not your fault you look like that.
That's what it said. Good morning to the TikTok crew. Either way, they hate us here, but we're here. We're here, guys. Yeah, so it looks like Johnny right now is in a short, and we just TP'd right there at 8:40. So Johnny is cleaning up. He did good overnight. He did really well. Let's see. He is up currently right now on this one account. How much are you up, Johnny? Come on, Johnny.
He's in a trade right now. Oh,
He just got out of a trade. He might be in others, but he's been rocking that overnight. Come on, man. What's up with trader, baby?
Sure, I don't get it. Oh. Oh, okay, I could import. Perfect.
Let's see how much he's up on this account. Yeah, he's doing good. He's up $416 on this account overnight. Very nice, Johnny. Keep it up, buddy. Keep it up. On this account, let's see what he's doing on this account. On this account, he's up 165. Well, he's down 22 bucks overnight. So that's okay. I forgive you, Johnny. He's gonna be getting into some more trades here soon, but the open is coming up, so you gotta be careful. And on this one, he is in a trade at the moment, and he is down 34 bucks. So he's a little bit all over the place right now. Nice job though, Johnny. Nice job overall.
Go, Johnny, go.
Let me say good morning to the crew. What's up, crew? How you guys doing? Good morning to Patty. Good morning, Raphael. We got Joni in the house. Paul Verizon says, good morning, traders. I take my wife everywhere, but she keeps finding her way back. That is horrible, man. I feel so bad for you, brother. What's going on, Klein? Oh, that's Kind. Yeah, sorry, my eyes are not as good as they used to be. We got Larry Metz in the house. What's going on, Carter Shellac? And Dr. Copper, not Cooper. Not hanging with Mr. Cooper, but Mr. Copper. All right. Let's, market opens up here in just about 6 minutes. Let's see if we can look at some of the macros here on the market. Oops, sorry. That's ES. Let's go start with the NQ. See what's going on here in the overall macro. Let's look at the day. So our daily. Oh yeah, this is what's going on. We're in a consolidation right now. We're doing a triangle. We're in this wedge. We talked about this last week, and yeah, this wedge is kind of crazy. So I don't know what's going to happen here. It could break up or break down. My theory is that we might come down and sweep and then up. I don't know. Who knows? Usually it's the first move is a fake out. So we'll see what happens. That's usually what happens. Let's see on the 30-minute what we can find here on the 30-minute. 30-minute had a really sharp drop on Friday on Thursday. Sorry, Friday was a holiday. On Thursday we had that real sharp drop, and it looks like now they're cleaning up some of those imbalances from that drop. And after they do, it may not be a continuation to the upside. We may continue to fall back down, which is kind of in line with what we're seeing right now. On the 5-minute, on this NQ. Looks like the market is kind of dragging us down. Maybe we will come down and see this 29,100 area. That's yet to be seen. But I'll keep her on the 1 minute here and let her do her thing. She can go in a lot of different directions in a very short amount of time. Let's go ahead and look at the ES real quick. All right. By the way, guys, we have a new update to the Smooth Trader Concepts Indicator, and it is unbelievable. It is very good. I did some real deep back testing on some settings, and right now this thing is firing on all cylinders. As you can see, very nice here, very nice. One losing trade here, but another winner coming up right now, probably. on the ES. So we are looking at the ES right now as well. Let's go ahead and take a look at the daily on the ES. ES doing the same thing, building that wedge pattern, and I think we could be coming down maybe to test that anchored VWAP from the low. We haven't done that yet. We haven't tested that anchored VWAP. So maybe we do that. Let's go ahead and look at the 30 minute. It looks ugly. This is very, very ugly on the 30 minute. It looks like we did have a blow off top here though. Raced back down and then chopped some more. So we'll see what happens today. This is going to be weird. It's going to be one of those days. All right, we have the market opening up in less than 3 minutes, and we'll keep our eyes on everything. Wish Johnny the best, and maybe we'll take some trades along with him. My wife's here. She's going to take some trades too. So we'll see. We will see here, guys and gals. Okay, let's see what else is going on. Look at the rest of the markets. Mags right now. Mag 7 kind of just going sideways. Had a little bit of a bump here this morning. But nothing new there. SpaceX. Oh, SpaceX had a little bit of a pump there. Moving up. Let's see. Nvidia has been kind of giving it back here overnight. Approaching the low here at 194. Bitcoin has been a little bit all over the place too. Bitcoin had a massive pump from those 57s. Now looking at, she came up to 64. Just missed 64 by a dollar, I think. If I'm not mistaken, I think I saw 63.999 or something. And now she's pulling back pretty darn hard. So we'll see what happens there. Let's take a look at oil. Oil looks like it wants to start to pump. We do have an indication here telling us that they may want to bring this thing up to 69 and change. The YM has been making new all-time high after new all-time high. This morning she did manage to give a little bit back though. But the target on our MOAS is to the upside. It is to the upside at 53,522. So maybe we see the YM creep up. Let's take a look at gold. Gold looks like it wants to possibly head back up to the VWAP, maybe then bounce and come down to this target that we haven't hit yet at 41.41. And then maybe, just maybe, then we'll come up higher. Right now markets are starting to melt past the VWAP. Oh no, what do we do? Market opens up here in 40 seconds, so look alive, everyone, look alive. These opportunities only come along once every couple minutes.
Look alive, peoples.
Yes, ma'am. Yeah, she is pushing. We might get to move all the way down to the 29s and change. 29.6s. We'll see. A lot to be seen. All right, guys. Good luck. Good luck to you all. And the Dumperoo is here.
Yeah, bless you.
Yeah, 30 minute looks massively dumpy right now the way that this candle is forming right now, but it has 30 minutes to confirm, obviously. But we'll see. Getting a little bit of a mixed bag here with the NQ and the ES going in separate directions. Let's go ahead and clean this up here just a bit. Gotta be on brand here, you know? You have to be on brand. Okay. All right, ES is ripping right now. NQ right behind. Let's see what they want to do here. All right, we got strength coming in. Could be a trap. See what we got. Question is, are we in any trades right now? No, not there. Looks like we are in a trade here on a long. Johnny is at least. Johnny is. Johnny's long all the way up to 978. Let's go ahead and take a look at that. He's long up to 978. Let's see if he can get that. Go, Johnny, go. Johnny, I'm going to have to put you here on timeout here because I got to put the wife on, man. Say hi, wife.
Hello.
Yeah, maybe we get this push to the upside here. I don't know if we will or not. All right, yeah, pretty strong here. Pretty strong momentum.
Rafael says Trump is speaking.
Oh, Trump's speaking right now? That guy never shuts up, man. Come on. Trump will be speaking at 9:30, but I am still having issues on the charting news platform, so I won't be posting. Oh, man. What is going on? Why? It's not good. Babe, can you type test in the chat, or if you can, I'll do it. You hear me, babe?
Yeah.
Okay. What's up, Hot Seater? Good morning to you. Thanks, babe.
You saw it?
Yeah, I saw it. Thanks. I'm trying to see what's up with my aggregator here. It's not working. This aggregator is not the best, I will say. I had an aggregator for our chat, so I can get chats from everywhere at once, but sometimes it works and sometimes it doesn't.
It works a lot on YouTube.
Yeah, I have an aggregator, a new one that I'm using, because the other one for some reason is not available anymore. It's weird. I don't know. The one I was using before, it was pretty clutch, but now it's not. All right. I think we're good now.
Okay.
We even got the TikTok chat. Oh, wow. We got the TikTok chat on it too now. Oh, wow. Okay. So we got TikTok on there. We got TikTok on the aggregator as well. So it's aggregating all our chat. Okay.
For you, for me, I don't see it.
Oh, because it's a new one. I haven't given it to you yet. I was testing it last week.
Okay.
All right. How's Johnny doing? Johnny, you doing all right? Looks like we got a little pullback right now. Johnny's scared. Don't be scared, Johnny. Don't shake in your robot boots. Anybody here in a trade? You guys in a long, short, medium? Johnny's up a couple little doll hairs right now. I think he's going to make a little more. Possibly. Who knows? Come on, Johnny. Do something good, buddy. Oh, wow. What a pullback. What a nasty pullback that was right there. That is really bad. That was really ugly and bad. Yeah, how do you account for stuff like that? That's why trading the NQ is like riding a wild stallion, right? Or a bronco, or riding one of those bulls. You ever guys ever ride one of those mechanical bulls? Yeah, I never wanted to do that.
You said you wanted to
No,
do
I
that?
never wanted to do that. I don't know what people get the thrill out of doing. Let's go ride the mechanical bull, man, you know? You
I'm good.
want to hurt yourself really bad, don't you?
Yeah. With my luck, I think I'd break my neck.
Yeah. Here in Texas, they ride mechanical gators.
No, they don't.
Yeah, they do. Monster short says Monster Crawler. Okay. Daily shows we should go down, says Monster Crawler. Yeah, I don't disagree. Could end up going down. I have to start yelling timber here soon. Guys, I've been working my tail off on Johnny's algorithms, man, and I think we for the most part got him really dialed in. So today is really the first day that I'm letting him kind of roam free. Yeah. He's running 5 different strategies, which is unbelievable. And we'll see which ones perform the best and go from there. It's hard to account for manipulation, obviously. That's always going to happen. You're never going to have a 100% win rate on anything. But sometimes it's pretty accurate. Guys, hit the likes early today. Maybe if we can get up to, how many likes are we averaging? About to 50 likes today. We'll do a 2-week subscription of the Smooth Trader Concepts Indicator. It is fire. I'm telling you, the new updates I've made are so good. The win rate, I don't even want to tell you what the win rates are. I'm just going to tell you they're extremely high and extremely good. And the visuals are also a lot better. Additionally, guys, I also created an affiliate program for you guys for the Smooth Trader Concepts Indicator. You guys can earn 30% recurring revenue for the people that you sign up for a monthly, or a one-time fee for anyone who signs up for a lifetime. So you guys are interested in that, go ahead and go to our link that's pinned in the chat. You guys will find the affiliate section there. I'm also going to post it in... I think I'm also going to post it as one of our links on our link tree. I haven't done that yet. All right, market looks like it may want to bounce again off this VWAP. You're going to try the long, babe. Go long. Go long, babe.
How do you go long? How do you... Oh.
Put your TP at 978.
Put TP at 978?
Yeah.
Okay. TP at 978.
And put your stop at 783.
And stop at 783. What the heck?
What happened?
Oh, I'm on a 4. I'm on 4 contracts.
Well, God bless your Lord.
Jeez.
Why don't you go ahead and sell a few off when you get to 940? Take 2 off.
Yeah, for real. I'm just gonna do it naturally. What was it? It was 785?
978 is your TP.
Yeah.
Don't be
But
scared, babe.
stop is what?
782.
782. Okay.
You close them all out?
No, I'm doing it manually now.
Okay, gotcha.
Okay. Yo, no comment.
What happened? You okay?
No, I'm good. I'm just gonna do it piece by piece.
Okay. Whatever you say.
978. That's one.
Took one off already?
Huh?
No,
No, I'm just putting them in different places.
Gotcha. Go, Johnny, go. Go.
Okay. Well, officially not 4. You be pro.
Big Wilma.
Mm-hmm. Should we move our stop to break even or not?
Not yet.
Okay.
I know you're nervous right now because that's big size for you, but
Mm-hmm.
just me pretend it's 1. Wife is in 4 contracts by accident. She thought she was in 1. But she's doing all right now. Looks like the market is cooperating with her for now.
I think that's what God intended then. Come on, man. Skyrocket up.
Yikes.
Oh, gosh.
She's being a little bit of a Karen here.
Mm-hmm. Oh.
What's up, Joey? Good morning, brother. How you doing, man? Hey, Joey, I tried to put the Smooth Trader Concepts indicator on a recreated delta, and I back tested it, and it's completely off the mark. So in order to run Smooth Trader Concepts, the original format of Smooth Trader Concepts, you're gonna need premium because there's no way around it, brother. I tried to do the free version, especially for traders who don't have premium access to TradingView, and it's just not worth it. But I'll tell you what, the indicator now is so much better that man, it's criminal how good the indicator is now. But I will be releasing other versions that do not require the delta, which are not the original strategy for Smooth Trader Concepts, but that I'm gonna need a couple of weeks for.
Give me good luck.
Let's see if the market can hit 980 for the wife. Hit the 980 for the wife, thank you. What did Israel do? I haven't kept up with the news. Did Israel do something? See if we got any news crossing the financial juice headlines here. Any news?
No.
Nothing big here. Nothing big. I don't see anything big.
Staring at me like that.
All right, good push, good push. Let's see if they can break the 940s. See if the NQ can break these 940s. Looks like they're trying to.
Go.
Wife's about to get paid here pretty nicely. Good morning. Go. Go. Johnny needs you too. I think Johnny's at 980.
There you go. No.
You got your first bet? Not yet, right?
No, I'm telling Luna if she wants to eat the food.
Go, NQ, go. Push it hard, baby. Push it hard.
Go.
Go.
Right there.
You're right there. She says, go.
No, like for my first one.
I know for your first one.
Go.
Push for her. Push, NQ.
Why do you always
do that to her, NQ?
annoying me much?
Are you talking on the mic? Is it on?
Yeah.
You got your first?
Finally.
You got your
Jeez,
first?
That's one. Come
Okay,
on,
good.
It was the other way around. What's up, mama?
All right, good. You got your next yet?
No, it's right there though. There you go.
Wow, you getting paid. Made in the shade. Look at you. Come on, go. Pay Johnny. Pay the robot. Go.
Pay the robot.
Pay the bot.
Come on.
What's the new update, Safe? It's available to you guys, so you guys will see it. It's beast mode. You guys will see.
Go.
The logic is upgraded, safe now, so it trades less frequently but more accurately. and it also will distinguish your main trade from subsequent trades that come in afterwards. So you'll see, you'll love it.
Thank you. Go the other way.
How many you got left?
2 more. It's messing with me though.
Yeah.
And with my emotions.
Move your next two to break even because I don't want
Your next 2 to break even?
Yeah, your last two. Yeah, I don't want you to miss these by you know, and end up giving it back.
The next 2 to where, I'm sorry?
The two you have left.
Mm-hmm.
Move them to break even because I want you to give back what you made already.
Okay. Okay.
If the market doesn't want to cooperate, at least you took 2 off already,
Mm-hmm.
which is nice hit already for you.
Yeah, yeah. Very happy with it. Listen. Okay. Okay, no problem. You're clingy today.
Luna's clingy.
Yeah.
You know, Luna did pretty good this weekend with the fireworks, guys. She was not scared.
Yeah, for
She's like, I'm used to this.
First
I've lived 10 years on this earth. I know what those things are. That's not real thunder.
Patty said she drunk the first. Oh, that's why you put that post where they were knocked out?
Babe,
Huh?
take one off manually.
So,
Sell one manually.
Okay.
And just leave one more for you at the 90, okay?
Okay, I'll just take one out.
You did?
Yeah, I'm
Okay,
just
good.
gonna
So
take
you
this
only got
one.
one left, right? Yeah,
Yeah.
okay. Just leave that.
Okay, what were you saying, Patty? Dang. That's crazy.
Good dump here. We just hit. Guys, open your Lucid loot boxes. Yeah, I opened mine last night. I got a 50% discount.
Oh, my dog is so clean.
I see 2 STC indicators in my script. Well, erase both of them and add the indicator again on your screen, and you will have the new version. I sent an email out this morning, so everybody who is in the STC family, and even those who haven't signed up yet,
Are you okay?
got alerted this morning that we do have a new version out. So take both off and then reload it up on your screen.
What's wrong? What's wrong, my baby?
Come on, Johnny. Come on, Johnny. You see 2 because you have the volume indicator and you also have the STC Pro version. So you have both on your screen. So make sure you don't erase the wrong one.
Oh, you're so cute. Imagine everyone's like, what in the romance of dogs?
What in the romance? Keep pushing for the ladies. Go, go, go for the 980. Patty's got the 980 on TP also?
She got out already.
Oh, she did?
Yeah. Her account was low, so she didn't want to lose it.
Oh, gotcha. Yeah, you crushed it so far.
Damn.
How much you got open P&L?
Uh-huh.
How much did you open P&L?
I don't know.
Oh,
what
you're
that
still at
means.
almost 160 right now. Open. You're gonna hit another 200. That's great. Great day for you.
Are you okay today? Are you okay? You're looking inquieta. Exactly. Look at what mommy's doing. Mommy is working.
She's working.
So
She's
funny.
working. Come on, AQ. Come on, AQ. Come on, AQ. Just a little bit more, baby.
Sit
Let's
down.
go.
Sit.
Let's go. She's going for you, babe. She's going for you a little bit more.
Go! Come on, man. I got a fussy dog.
Oh, push. Push it, AQ.
Go, you
Push.
crazy person.
Push it, AQ. Push. There you got it. You
Finally.
got it? How much you made on now? Like 600, 700?
661.
661. That's seriously,
Yeah.
babe. Take the rest of the year off.
Thank
Good
you.
job. Yeah.
No, I
Good
was-
job. Good job. Yeah, good push
yeah,
there.
I was in a, I
Johnny
was
got
in,
it too. You and Johnny
four
both got it.
contracts,
Yeah.
and I put like different stops. It only got 2 out of the, no, I got 3 out of the 4 because it was told me to get off of one manually. So it was fun.
Yeah, that was good. Good job. Safe. You need both indicators. You need the volume indicator, and you also need the Pro version because
Sorry.
they're 2 separate indicators. You don't have to use both. I'm just telling you, it works better with both. I'm convinced I would be at 10 payouts if I wasn't. So I can't repeat that, Joey. I'm on TikTok today. So mentally challenged, I see. Raphael says, good job.
TikTok.
Yeah, I'm on TikTok also. I'm on TikTok. We're on Kick, Twitch, and YouTube.
Go shopping.
Go shopping.
I think I've had enough for right now.
What's your balance now?
I don't know. Yeah. I'm gonna stay on for Patty though.
Okay, cool. You're locking out?
I'm personally clocking out, but Patty can keep going. Actually, no. I'll probably keep going.
You gonna keep going?
Yeah. That'll be fun.
Good job, Johnny. Johnny. Looks like Johnny's in a gold long too. Oh man,
Oh,
Johnny.
that's so cool. I didn't know this thing could be a pop out.
Johnny, you something else.
Oh, Johnny, go.
No, it's
Seriously?
not him.
Why?
Johnny's in a gold long. I think he is. Oh no, he's not. He is not. Okay.
Yeah,
Thought he
but it's
was.
gonna take time. Hold on. Wait, can you guys still hear me? Okay. Yo, she's really clingy today.
Is she?
Yeah. She got the lover eyes on me.
Gold.
And then she won't go somewhere. I don't know why. This is probably wrong of me to keep doing, but I keep watching these videos. I don't look for them, they just keep coming on my For You page. And it's about like dogs passing, and I kid you not, I have to block it every time because I start to get emotional because she's 10. And then I was talking about it with Lewis yesterday, and I was like, yo, she's 10. So and then he was also saying like, oh, she goes, or when she goes, it's gonna be I'm not saying it's not gonna impact me. I know it is, but I know he's gone through already a few of these dogs passing, but I feel like this one's gonna get him the most because Luna is like attached to Lewis to the hip.
Yeah, she's my
Like,
buddy.
I literally tell him while he's on the couch, I'm like, babe, raise your hand up so then she can see you're there. She charges at him. So
Yeah,
it's
man.
just like she's the, I don't want to say it, but like daddy's girl, I guess.
Huh.
So it's just, yeah. Yeah, man, it's just, these dogs are so cute.
Funny.
Oh, sorry, Luna. I like smashed your
Luna's not
face.
going anywhere.
No. And I know people say to prepare yourself for stuff like this, but I don't really think that's possible because you could try, it still hurts.
Yeah.
If your dog passes or anybody passes away, it hurts. You can't really be prepared for something like that.
Correct.
So
Yeah, it's tough to prepare for something like that.
yeah,
Even if they're old and suffering, it still hurts.
yeah, of course. Like right now, she's suffering with my legs apparently because she doesn't think I'm comfortable. Excuse me. Watch, in like 10 minutes, she's gonna kick me out of my chair and take the whole thing. My cat is 14 and I'm gonna be so depressed when he's gone. Aww. Yeah, that's how I feel too. And 14, that's beautiful. Oh, Oh, they do? Oh, I thought they... Oh, I thought it was like dog years as well. They live longer. Okay. Luna, are you okay? Do you not see her moving on the camera, Patty? Jeez. I'm like... Oh, wow. Are you okay? She's like making sounds like... Okay. Take the couch. I mean, take the chair. Never mind.
All right, guys. Right now, market is kind of just trying to figure out what it wants to do next. That was a good run up to 980. Hit 30K. Now we might actually start seeing a pullback down. So I wouldn't be surprised if we do. Would not be surprised at all. We did have a real strong push down there from the 780s though, so I don't know if it's gonna come down too much. Good trade, babe, by the way.
Thank you. It was in God's hands.
All right. What will she do? What will she do? What, babe?
No, Luna. You're so cute. Why? Because you want them with you? Oh, okay. Oh, maybe you're taking a photo shoot.
Or we're starting to get a chop here on ES.
That's fine.
Oil keeps pushing above its daily open, so it looks like oil might want to head back higher. Bitcoin looks like it wants to start dumping pretty hard now. There might not be any more upside into Bitcoin. We'll see.
Okay. Espérate. You know what's funny? Luna knows some Spanish. Ay. No, because my dad, she was really attached to my dad, and my dad only speaks Spanish. Are you good?
Okay.
So there's certain words that she knows ven a comer, which is come eat, and abre la boca. She knows open your mouth in Spanish, abre la boca. So it's so funny.
All right. Looks like the NQ just narrowly missed 30.20. She is heading back down. The 1 minute looks pretty heavy. Not sure if she's going to keep going in this direction for much longer, but she is for right now.
Exactly. Yo, I'm gonna put you down if you keep touching that food.
Wow,
No,
what a
no,
push.
no.
Good push to the downside here. Very nice push. I think Johnny is in a short here somewhere. Let me see. Is he in a short? Yeah, I think he is in a short. He could get stopped out here. I think this market is pretty strong still. He might get
Good
stopped
morning,
out.
vintage trader. Say good morning.
Yeah, looks like he might get stopped out. What's up, babe?
Say good morning.
Good morning, who?
Vintage trader.
Oh, somebody's here? Who said good morning?
Vintage trader.
Vintage Trader? Why is it not popping up on my aggregator? What's up with that?
Give
What's
it
up, Jackpot? Jackpot Traders also said hello earlier.
Can you update mine?
I
'Cause
started
don't
to
see what you're
hate
seeing.
trading because he probably said hello on the mobile one.
Yeah, but wouldn't it come all here?
No, the mobile stream and the
Oh, so you have different things.
yeah, there's two
open.
streams.
No, you have like a different pop-up thing
Mhm.
open.
Yeah, I have one that aggregates them, puts them together. I started to hate trading the New York session, says Joey. Yeah, no, New York session's pretty wild, man. Why did I take that trade? You mean the trade that my wife took or the trade that Johnny was in? Safe? I'm not sure what you mean. Can you say the new update help you? Want to understand thought process? Well, the trade that I put my wife in was not part of the update on the STC. That was a different strategy altogether. Good morning, Smooth and Mrs. I don't even have my charts set up, says Joey. I'm still on holiday mode. Oh, you are? Recovering from 4th of July? Did you blow a finger off? Anybody blow a finger off? Has anyone gotten hurt with fireworks in the past? I hit myself once with a Roman candle because I was young and dumb. Yeah, you don't want to start pointing Roman candles in directions. That's not a good idea. Johnny might get stopped out of this one. He's got a short on right now on this particular trade. I don't know if that's the right idea for him, but we'll see. He'll figure it out. We had an amazing show here at our house. That's awesome. Yeah, my wife and I were going to go to the beach and watch the fireworks, but we got lazy. I got lazy. I don't know about her. She was in her pajamas at like 5 p.m., so I don't know.
Yeah, it did.
It didn't really help that she was in her pajamas.
I was just enjoying the relaxation that we don't really get.
Yeah, we really don't. We'll see what happens with Johnny Cinco. Pretty heavy resistance right now. Having a hard time getting back above 30K, but she possibly can. The higher time frames right now are kind of mixed. The 5 minute, it's got a very thin band on the MV wave, and so does the 30 minute with a slightly bullish tilt to it, you know. So there probably is more upside coming. Little Johnny could get hurt on this trade, but we'll see. Only time will tell. You're talking about the trade to 980? Let me explain that trade to you then. To be honest with you, this is one of your trades. Safe. So right here, as you can see, we had a big push to the downside here with high volume, red diamonds. And then right afterwards, we got a high volume candle to the upside with a trapped short indication at the same time. So high volume and trapped short indication. You do the numbers on this, and I think you on a 1-to-1, you get about 980. Let me just see if I can do that right here. I don't know I don't remember where my entry was, but let's just say it was there. Yeah, it's right there around 980. So what I did here was I waited for it to pull back into this, and after I saw that they found support here, I saw that there was a very nice candle here, very big candle, that showed that the strength was still in the buyer's hands. So after this area here was supported, basically support and resistance, because it came back into an area that showed support. So this area right here showed support, and because it did, I told the wife, I said, you know, go long here. And the TP was 980, and it worked out pretty good. So the trade was very simple. It was basically finding an area where there was trap shorts, finding an area where there was high volume, seeing the market pull back into it, and then seeing strength come out of nowhere on the buyer's end again, which means they trap shorts again for a second time. That's why the 980 was a good move there. So it's basically trap shorts followed by a high volume candle. But in this case, the trap short had a high volume candle already built into it. So it was 2 in 1. This candle was very important, significant. That's why I kept my eyes open for this area. And then it happened again. And then she cleaned up on that trade. Looks like Johnny will get stopped out here. Not every trade is going to be exactly the same. Johnny has multiple different strategies that he's running. Some will do good some days, some will do better on other days. Don't worry, safe. I see a lot of new settings in the update. What's the setting, or is that on Discord? I put all the new settings on Discord. Go to Discord, check the channel, and you see all the settings there. I did not explain them, no. Just go on Discord. You'll see the new settings and what they're for. So right now I'm keeping the power short and power long off because I want to keep the charts somewhat clean. I don't want to have them too cluttered. The MOAS, obviously I have them on. My take profits, I have them on. I have the width of my thickness of my main trade at 2 of the TP and stop loss. The thickness of the line is set to 2. Now, if any other MOASs show up after my initial MOAS, then those will come in with a little bit more transparency, so I know that they are subsequent MOASs, not the main one. And the line thickness on that's going to be 1. And I have it undotted, but I think it comes out solid. I got to fix that. I have the enable MV trend filter, so we don't trade against the trend. And enable divergence. Don't worry about this. Do not touch that. That's very important. Do not touch that. Those settings are very, very delicate. The triple Indy now has your time frame description, so it'll show your time frames on the chart. I fixed that as well. And the rest is up to you, whatever you want to put here. This is all kind of cosmetic for you guys to have visuals. I do have my trap trader, my trap shorts and trap long signals on that I do have. And it looks like Johnny's about to get stopped out here on this one trade. It's okay, Johnny. It's okay. You'll make it up, buddy. Johnny cannot win them all. He'll win most of them, but not all. Come on. Don't smack it so hard. Be gentle. Oh, guys, by the way, some really great prop firm deals going on right now. I got the message over the weekend that right now we do have, let me see if I can refresh this. We do have Lucid right now with their pro accounts. They're getting rid of their consistency on the funded side. And now there's no daily, I'm sorry, not consistent. There's no daily loss limit on the pros anymore. You got 40% off of those now, so you can get a let me see, just go trade it, not throw you guys off. You can get a 50K Lucid Pro. Let me go ahead and fix this real quick. You can go ahead and get a 50K Lucid Pro right now, 40% off for only $111. It's normally $185. That's good until July 24th. And then with Tradify, they have 40% off right now as well. So let's just say we pick one of their, I think on any account. Let's see if we pick one of their Flex accounts. That would be $99 right now with Tradify. That's a really good deal. Trade Day still has that 50% going on, 50% off going on, I believe, as well. And if you pick, let's just say a 50K Fast Pass or a Quick Pay, let's go with Fast Pass end of day. That's $90 right now. So Trade Day got some incredible deals going on right now too. Trade Day is one of the goats too, guys. Check them out. And Apex right now is still running 90% off. So if you decide to get a end of day 50K, it would cost you about $45 for the eval, and then total cost would be $144 after you pay activation. So not too bad, not too bad at all. Not too bad. All right, we're getting stopped out here probably in a second. Johnny, you getting stopped out? Wow, not yet. Think they'll save us by a tick? I doubt it. I doubt it. Seriously doubt it. We're not that lucky. Yeah, Joey, price action right now? Not the best, but something. ES is very choppy. This thing could go either way. ES is super choppy on the 5 minute. NQ has a very bullish sentiment to it. That 30 minute right now on the NQ is gonna close massively bullish if we get this type of candle in the next 17 minutes. Once that candle confirms, if we continue moving in that direction right now, the 30 minute looks pretty redonkulous. Let me show you guys what I mean. See this doji candle right here, followed by this solid bottom candle right there. If it closes like this is a very bullish indication. It means that we probably continue trucking up to higher levels. So watch that. Would like to see a pullback right now to save John's little tail, but I don't know if it's going to happen. I don't know if that's going to happen. Johnny's going to get his little tuchus taken out. His robot tuchus. Make sure to use DW40, Johnny. Come on, Johnny. Make sure that they don't take make sure they don't take you from behind with no DW40. Come on. All right. He's out. He's out of that trade. We'll wait to see the next trade that he does take. We'll wait to see the next one he is in. DW40? Yeah. That's what robots use, you know? When you want to get intimate, they use DW40. WD40, yeah, not DW40. I was, you know, I have dyslexia, I guess, or whatever you would call it. You detected inactivity? I'm very much here, TikTok. I am very much here. I thought TikTok was going to flag me for inappropriate robot commentary. Water displacement 40 tries? What does that mean? What does that mean, watermelon? Oh, by the way, watermelon trader, I bought a watermelon this week. It's so good. Finally, we're getting good watermelons this time of year. The worst is when you buy a watermelon and you're like rolling the dice. You feel like you're playing Russian roulette with the watermelon. Because the watermelons hardly ever come out sweet. They hardly ever come out juicy. They look all sick and pale. Like they went through some traumatic experiences in their watermelon life. But the one we got this week was humongous, man. It's watermelon season. So when you try to buy a fruit that's out of season, yeah, you never really end up getting anything good. Rarely. And don't get me started on the mangoes right now. Man. That's what WD-40 means? Water displacement 40 tries? I didn't know that. That's so cool. The watermelon scammers, yeah, they're out there, bro. They're out there in droves. They paint the watermelons from the inside. They inject them with food coloring. Water displacement 40 tries. That's so cool. I didn't know that. Mango, 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 says Joey. Water displacement 40 tries. That's pretty cool. If you guys are watching on TikTok, make sure to hit the like. I think we can get likes on TikTok now. That's pretty cool. Didn't know that. Joey says he wants to get his own house so he could walk around without any clothes on everywhere. I can't. I don't know if I could say the N word because I'm on TikTok today. They're gonna say, "Oh, what are you doing on there? What are you doing on TikTok?" So far today, Johnny's doing all right. I think we had some news today, didn't we? Today, Monday, ISM services at 10 a.m. Yeah, we had news at 10. I didn't even realize that. Did anything happen? Yeah, nothing happened. ISM services this morning. It did nothing. Came in at 54. Expected was 54.2. Was red folder, but did nothing to the markets. The N word, yeah.
Yeah.
You have a buddy that sets up peach stands in Florida just for the 2 months of summer, and he does over $1 million in sales. It makes about 600 grand in 2 months from peach stands. No way. That's crazy, Watermelon Trader. Awful PA says Con. Yeah, this is pretty bad. This is grinding now. He's just gonna grind a little bit higher. Higher and higher, higher. Let's take a look at the rest of the market, see what's up this morning. Nvidia is doing well. She came roaring back. Oh wow, the semiconductors are ripping it today, huh? AMD's up 10%. Something's got to give here. Maybe Apple's giving it back now. Let's see. No, Apple's also doing good today. Well, decent today. Google's down a little bit. Microsoft's down. Tesla's up pretty nicely. Looks like rotation right back into these tech stocks. The mag we had, mag is pretty quiet. What is going on with the mag? It's just going sideways on the VWAP. Oh, no, never mind. That didn't update yet. Okay, so we did have that push down this morning. Now the mags are pushing right back up. We do have a target up above us, I think, if I'm not mistaken, or we did at one point. I thought we did have a target up there. We did.
Oh, okay. Yeah.
No, 1 minute. Yeah, in the 1 minute, the mags do have a little bit of a target to the upside right now. So we have a target up to 65.77. Market does want to go up on the mag 7.
Can you pass me? Give me the code there.
What do you need, babe?
Code. Thank you very much.
Let's take a look at Nvidia and what she's up to. Let's move it to the 1 minute. Looks like Nvidia has a broader target to the downside right now. Way down there. Down at 185. She has a smaller target to the upside right now, 198. So both could be true. She could hit this target and come down. Bitcoin's still holding at these lower levels. Oil gave it back. She was above the daily open. No, that had to refresh. Oil had to refresh. Okay, so she's right around she's right around the open. YM is looking for possible more upside too. That was a target to 53. Check out the 1 minute on YM. We'll see. Gold had a tumble. Has a target right now on the 5 minute at 41.41. There goes the 1 minute, also confirming that. Moved down to about 41.40. Yeah, they really want that downside. The tape shifted to bear. Sell algo activated. Let's see. What's up, Con? Let's see if that's the case. Too bad they had to do it after they clapped little Johnny's bot cheeks. Poor little bot. Yeah, market's moving slowly today. We had a pretty decent open. Now the ATRs are coming down. Not much action going on. Let's take a look what's going on in the world. You guys watching those games, man? That France and Paraguay game was such a disaster. Oh, look. What is going on here? He's showing him a picture of Trump, and he's showing him a red card. That's hilarious. And that's a U.S. Oh, I remember this. This is the guy who got a red card for supposedly intentionally slide tackling his opponent. Trump got that red card thrown out of here. That is crazy. What do you guys think about that? Trump had the FIFA reverse there. Hold on, you guys can't see it. You guys can't see it. Yeah, what do you guys think about? What do you guys think about this? This is so funny. This player actually got his red card removed, his penalty removed by Trump. Trump called the FIFA and had them take away US's red card. That is something. It's the power of this guy. His power has no end. Yeah, Erling Haaland, man, he's a beast, man. What he did over the weekend to Brazil. Yeah, he single-handedly destroyed Brazil. He's a beast. These guys are a really good player. He's tied right now for the Golden Boot. Yeah, he's tied right now for the Golden Boot with Messi and Mbappe. He's a top tier player, man. He's such a troll too. He's probably Elon Musk's favorite player. We're just going sideways here, looking like the market wants to continue going to the upside. Looks like it wants more upside. Has not really shown a weakness yet. England won, yeah. England beat Mexico yesterday. If you can make the same mistakes over and over again, eventually you will learn from your mistakes. Well, that never happens to me. Why, Joey? You made the same mistake again? What happened, Joey? Jackpot says fake news. You stayed up to 5 a.m.? Oh, because you guys are celebrating to watch your country? Oh, is that so? Because it was that late over there for you guys? Born Again says it's under review again? What's under review again? I'm just trying. It's like I never learn from my mistakes. What happened, Joey? What did you do? You watching me from Australia today? Is that where you live, Jackpot, or is that just where you are today? Australia, babe. That's so cool.
Yeah.
Australia did pretty good in the World Cup. They made it to the final, what, 16 or 32? I don't remember. I think you guys played up to the 32. No, the 16. No, you guys did play to the 16.
You comfy? Okay.
Yeah, you got beat by a who did you guys get? Australia get beat by? I forget. Oh, you started overthinking? Oh, you live in Hawaii, but you're in Australia? What are you doing in Australia, man? That sounds so cool. Just vacationing, maybe? It's that time of year. I moved to Ecuador. Now I can trade, take profit trader. Let's go, says Black Phoenix. Where'd you live before that you couldn't trade, take profit trader?
So you know, I registered Catalina for water baptism.
Oh, okay.
It's in September.
September? All right. You good here? You got anything?
No, leave it. Catalina been telling me she wants to get baptized.
Vacation surf.
She really likes presents about it at the church we go to. So she's been asking this for over a year, and I'm like, I guess you're serious. So I officially booked it.
Thanks, babe.
Oh yeah, I was telling Patty.
Yeah.
Yeah, no, I'm very happy. Yeah, me too. So gotta teach her though, like what that means. It's not just going underwater and coming back up. It's a deeper meaning.
So Jackpot, you're on a vacation surfing and watching the great reef. That is so cool, man. Be careful with them great whites out there, man. I heard they're like very common. That's like my biggest fear is swimming in the ocean and seeing like a great white pull up next to me.
That was unexpected.
So Black Phoenix, you're normally or originally from Panama. You're in Ecuador.
Yeah, 'cause there was a point where
That's
I was
awesome,
like,
man.
where
Ecuador is a
did
great
you
country.
go?
El Salvador is a great country too. I visited El Salvador. I really liked it there. Con, you're short right now? Nice,
Yeah.
brother.
Nothing stable.
They have shark nets in the ocean? No, they don't. Is it that bad? That's a big net. What?
Who's shark nets in the ocean?
Yeah, he's in Australia. He says they have shark nets in the ocean there, so the sharks can stay away from like the people, places where people swim and surf.
Patty said that they do have it there. Wow.
They do have a what?
That they do have shark nets over there.
That's crazy. I didn't
That's
know that.
crazy, I know that.
That's a big net. It's that bad that you guys had to put a net.
Oh.
Yeah, I heard everything in Australia is trying to kill you.
I
Is
don't
that
mean
true?
to sound insensitive, but why is not having sharks killing our ecosystem?
If you don't, you're breaking the food chain. You're messing up God's work. God has a perfect plan. You're killing his species off.
It's like, for me, it's like mosquitoes.
They're not mosquitoes.
No, I know, but like... Oh, okay. What about spiders? Because I feel like they're also useless.
They're part of the food chain too.
Give me a break.
You know how many spiders you've eaten?
First of all, ew.
What did you do, Black Phoenix? You used to live in Atlanta, then you moved to Panama, and now you're in Ecuador. What? Tell us a little bit about that story. What, babe?
I was just telling Patty, like, she just told me that mosquitoes are not part of the ecosystem, and I'm like, okay, then why do we have them? Kind of thing. Like, let's just.
Because you
kill
can't
them
get
all.
rid of them.
Says who? You could do like a little powder thing, and then just how we tame them.
Yeah.
Remember?
Oh, they have mosquito control here, but it's called control, not elimination. And then spiders eat the mosquitoes when they get caught in their nets. So they are part of some kind of a food chain.
I tell the girls that they're basically vampires, miniature vampires.
Mosquitoes are? Yeah.
And I never gave them permission to take my blood.
Yeah. Some people get stung by mosquitoes. They like blow up and get all itchy, and nasty.
They blow up, yeah.
Yeah. You know what's funny is the mosquitoes in Guatemala are totally different than mosquitoes here. Because like I can go here and get bit by mosquitoes. I'll itch a little bit and I'm good. I go over there and I get bit by those mosquitoes. Like I'm swelling up, not swelling up, and getting those like
really fast.
those little spots. Yeah. The girls when they were little, the mosquitoes used to tear you up. They used to hang out. You know where they hang out? Underneath the table at your house, underneath the breakfast table or dinner table.
Just to get you.
They just wait there. They just hang out under there and wait for you, and then they get your legs. They're smart. They've evolved. It's so crazy.
They have a brain.
They have a brain. Yeah.
That's funny.
Joey says mosquitoes should go extinct. Spiders
They
I hate, but they
should.
are essential to the ecosystem.
They should all be not all, but like no. I don't like spiders. I get terrified of spiders, even though they mean me no harm. But no, I do think that mosquitoes should be extinct.
Yeah. Watermelon has a good point. Mosquitoes spread blood and viruses and diseases. Yeah, they did. They were causing
That's
malaria
true.
and killing of millions of people, probably.
Very true. Sorry if I'm slouching, everyone. My dog kind of took possession of my chair.
Yeah, she does that. So Black Phoenix says, I'm retired. I moved to Panama and was stuck with Buellnox and Apex. Hate both. Now that I am in Ecuador, I can trade TPT. So happy. Next stop is Thailand. That's awesome. How old are you, Black Phoenix? Oh, I remember that, Black Phoenix. You were living in Panama. I remember you were telling me that. That does ring a bell. Yeah, market's kind of stuck right now. Not doing much. Not really doing much. Great job, anyone today who caught that early morning short or long.
Yeah.
That was decent.
That's not what I meant to write. Sorry, Lunar. I think Luna's fed up with me today. Yeah, I keep moving and she's getting up, putting her head up like, are you done? Yeah, exactly. Yo, I kid you not though. I'm waiting. It's just so funny. My first, I don't want to say paycheck, I guess.
Yeah.
But like whenever I pass this eval and then I get paid from it.
Your first payout, it's called.
My first payout is gonna be getting a chair where Luna and I can both fit comfortably.
How much does that chair cost?
The same as like this one.
What kind of chair is it?
Just a regular chair. It just has like.
It's a chair with a compartment for a dog, so it's not a
just
regular chair.
Just folds. No, the handles just folds down. That's it.
The handle folds down?
Yeah.
So the dog could sit on the handle or on the...
Yeah, it has like literally a cat on there, so it's not like its own thing. I don't know. It's just pretty
Person
cool.
and pet.
Say Google it. It's from
Office chair?
Amazon. Yeah, it's like $200. Some are more expensive though. I think that's not worth it.
Pet. Oh yeah, I see it here.
Right.
Let me see.
And then it puts the thing down. See?
You have it at Wayfair for $219.
Yeah. I mean, be real. I think the Amazon one is cheaper.
Yeah.
You see what I'm saying? It's so cool.
Yeah, you put it down in
the
your...
one I want is like that one.
And then your Persian cat sits next to you.
Yeah. Persian cat. Stop.
You can get it in pink too, your favorite color. Look,
You funny. Chocolate.
You heard?
Funny.
you can get it your favorite color.
No, babe, I'm gonna get black.
You gonna get black?
The last thing I need is for that thing to get dirty.
So, handsome's not allowed on is what you're saying?
No.
Oh, okay.
Not even close.
These are the things that my wife wants. Me, on the other hand.
Just because she's always here and they see me looking like I'm from the hood right now the way I'm sitting.
You are from the hood though, why are you trying to hide
Yeah,
that?
I am. But she's just
Embrace your
comfortable.
hood status.
Yeah, also my back is gonna kill me. Let's keep it real.
Insane market, Kanye, yeah. Mosquitoes will open your flesh and hold it open. Then they will find a vein and start sucking blood. And while they do that, they release saliva so it gets numb and you can't feel them. Oh, they're shady.
Yeah, that's true. I've seen that too, and I forgot where.
They are vampires then. They're evil vampires. Black Phoenix, they're 62. That's very young in this day of age. I'm in a 75, 74 on this 15 minute. What do you mean? You're on a trade, vintage trader? What were you saying, babe?
No, when it keeps moving. Where are you going?
Oh. Yeah, this chop here is not really worth trading too much. Unfortunately, this market's going sideways right now. Maybe we can find ourselves a way to
Oh, you hit your head.
stay
Poor baby hit her head.
entertained.
All right. Get down.
I heard this guy got sick. Biohacker Brian Johnson reveals he has incurable autoimmune disease. The longevity entrepreneur said his stomach is eating itself after being diagnosed with autoimmune gastritis, a condition in which the immune system attacks the stomach lining. Yeah, this guy's been trying to live forever, and how ironic the world is that, or life is that, since he's trying to live forever, he just got diagnosed with something that's basically gonna kill him. So yeah, just enjoy your life, basically. So Patrick says, no one in this space can do what I do. No one, not even talk to me, peasants. Don't even talk to me, peasants. He says. I guess Patrick made a lot of money today. Huh?
Look, Patty sent me a picture of her nephew.
She sent you a picture of her nephew?
Yeah. Look, babe.
This guy Holland is a beast. I think, hold on, baby. I think Luke Fish is related to this guy, he was saying.
So cute.
Oh, yeah, it's very cute. We need to adopt a white baby. They're really cute.
Yeah, he did. He did. I just didn't expect that to come out of his mouth, so I'm like...
Hopefully TikTok doesn't think that's racist.
Alright, you were just
that goal was
for like
beast.
an hour.
That goal was beast. Why does this guy keep popping up on my feed now? It was like Erling Haaland like takeover.
No comience, Luna.
Oh come on, man! Seriously, this guy's all over my feed now. I like soccer, but
Becky with the good hair.
keep it. Keep the variety.
Because I'm not gonna give you food. She's such a fatty.
Yeah, right now this market's doing absolutely Nathan. Sideways market.
Okay, good then.
Anyone deal with Bell's palsy? Is that some kind of
No.
like cerebral palsy type of thing?
You know what she wants?
Wow.
She wants the food on
Why
the
is that the
table.
people who live over 100 are always alcoholics or smokers? Yeah, George Burns, who I think was in his 90s, smoking cigars every day. That's crazy, right? Drinking, and I know he had that with like a scotch all the time. That is insane. Mosquitoes can be repelled with essential oils and by plants plants you have growing in your yard. Also, the color of your clothing. Really? That's crazy. Yeah, if you plant citronella, citronella is a really good plant to have around your house because mosquitoes hate that. I had a friend with Bell's palsy. Oh, I don't even know what that is. It must be some kind of a degenerative disease. This market is going slow. We're over here talking about random things to keep ourselves entertained. Come on, NQ, do something. Let's see if we have any dig up any drama here on X, because right now this is just not doing much.
Sorry, peoples.
No, don't tell me that Dolly Parton is in the club. That's not good.
I can't find...
Khan, is that true that England players will be able to use Viagra in order to cope with altitude
Go to bed.
in Mexico City? I doubt that's true.
Thank you.
I doubt that.
I don't know.
Is that how you cope with altitude sickness? What happens here?
Patty said I can't say that. I just realized it. But Patty said you're going to walk around with,
Yeah,
yeah,
Major Wood.
Major Wood.
Wow. That guy got socked. You know what's funny, guys? I mean, not funny. I'm starting to get kind of sick of this, babe. I didn't tell you this last night because I didn't want to spook you. I locked all the doors though. I went out last night to walk Luna before going to bed, and there was a random white van that's like all beat up with no stickers on the side, like no construction or anything like that, no plumbing, nothing, just a random white van. Again, comes down our street, hits a U-turn in the cul-de-sac, and then drives right back out. No intention of like, just kind of like looking around, like thinking it was like, I guess, a way out of here. But those are the kind of vans that aren't from here. They just come into our community, try to like, I don't know if they're trying to like case the place and look to see like who might have left the doors open, or. And I'm like, I'm standing out there, and I know they saw me, and that's why they turned around and left. But I'm like, I'm feeling one of these days I'm just gonna sit out there and wait for them to drive around again, and just call the police and get them.
Next time I have to follow them, because this happened once before.
It has happened, right? But they sometimes come at like
so
3 in the morning, 4 in the morning. But last night it was at 10.
Yeah, they're just so fast though. That's why I couldn't keep up. Imagine that's a neighborhood watch. I'll be cracking.
That's not neighborhood watch. Joey says hire me for security.
No.
Performance enhancer, says Watermelon Trader. Yeah, I think that would qualify as performance enhancer, huh?
No, go to bed. Go to bed. No. No.
There's a lot of Centurions in your family, Black Phoenix. That means you're going to have a long life ahead of you, man. How did you not know who Erling Haaland was? How did I not know? Because I don't watch sports that often. I only watch the World Cup. I only watch soccer when the World Cup comes around, and the rest of the time I'm trying to make money and spend time with my family. So I don't really keep up with football, baseball, soccer, basketball. I was trying to make an effort to keep up with this year. I was watching replays, and I don't have time to watch the entire games, but I watched the replays. So I was kind of a little bit behind the curve there with Erling Haaland, but I had no idea who he was. You might want to be out there with something by your side. Yeah, I might have Luna by my side, Vintage Trader. She'll take care of any bad guy. Yeah, this market is doing absolutely nothing right now. She's kind of stuck in the mud, guys. She is in the Bitcoin short at the moment. Johnny is in the Bitcoin short at the moment. Let's see how that plays out. What, babe? Alright, Johnny's in the Bitcoin short. So maybe that. If he takes any NQ longs or shorts, I'll let you guys know. But right now he is just in the Bitcoin short. Oh, it looks like he is. Oh, it looks like he is in a long. He is in a Nasdaq long. Right, he's in the long. All right, let's see if he makes any more doll hairs. Johnny's in the long, babe. I don't know if you're taking any more trades, but maybe just let Patty go because you did good today. So maybe just let her go, unless you want to take it too. It's up to you. The TP is 116.
116 for TP.
And then the stop is at 974.
And the stop is at 974.
Maybe we trend like we did last July. Maybe. I heard that Julys are usually really bullish. My charts are close. Is Black Phoenix not trading today? Just hanging with you guys. Awesome. Thanks for being here, Black Phoenix. So Johnny's short Bitcoin, long NQ right now. Oh, my P&L is not showing. Why is the P&L not showing? Okay, that's better. What are you munching on, babe? Bacon? She is making me hungry. I started watching Hail Mary. Oh, Hail Mary! That Hail Mary project movie was so good. My wife and I watched that over the weekend. That's a good movie, man. I'm gonna go on a limb and say top 10 movies I think I've watched in a long time. Probably the last 10 years. I started watching Hail Mary Project last night, but had to pause it. Got late. Going to finish it tonight. Pretty good movie so far, dude. It is so good. If you only saw the first half, the second half's even better. He's even better vintage trader. What are you eating, though, babe? Bacon and yeah. I made her bacon and fruit this morning. I take care of the wife, you know. She takes care of me. I take care of her. Yeah, that Project Hail Mary movie was good. No, was it? Yeah, it was Prime.
I'm sure they have it on Netflix, but yeah, it's with Ryan Gosling.
Rumo, you're now short on ENQ. 30.51 is your entry point. Expecting a sharp pullback to the downside. I hope we can hit our target first. I got a target at 31.16. I'm hoping. I'm hoping Johnny's cheeks don't get clapped again. Poor Johnny. Poor Johnny. For those of you guys watching on mobile or on TikTok, this is what Johnny's trade looks like at the moment. CP is 116 for him. It's something like that. You're not going to finish your food, babe? Put it in the fridge, okay? Don't leave it out. Hold on, guys. Put it in the fridge.
There is no more.
It's super slow market.
How is it possible? You still want me? Well, food, not me. Huh?
Nothing.
What are you talking about? That's Patty.
Oh, it's Patty? Okay.
Yeah. No, he was looking at your screen for a sec on my computer. Oh, really?
All right, looks like we're getting our dump on Bitcoin. That's good. Johnny's got a profit target on Bitcoin at 61,600, I believe. 61,600. Con thinks we're going to move higher here. I hope so. Getting a pullback at the moment.
Yeah, clearly.
Be dirty. It's so funny because dogs know when they did something wrong. They so know when they did something wrong.
Yeah, they walk away. And they walk away like a sad, like with sad eyes.
You tell them, I'm like, who did pee pee in here? Who did poo poo? And she's like, oh man.
That's this one right here.
I got caught in 4K.
Yeah, Handsome's like that too.
Yeah, Handsome too. I took my dog in the pool with me this weekend because he's terrified of the pool. So my wife bought a life vest for him, and I was like, hey, let me try out the life vest. Maybe he'll feel safer. So I had him in the water. He was chill. He was so calm. Was not moving. Nothing. To the point where I thought, like, is this dog paralyzed or is he all right? He was so terrified. So then I'm like, all right. So I put him back on the edge of the pool and I put him by the stairs of the pool. And he just stood there for a while. He was just like hanging out on the edge. And I'm like, why is he not getting out? Normally when I put him on the edge of the pool, he'll run out because he hates being in the pool. So he was just sitting there. And then all of a sudden, he just passed out. He just went boom. I'm like, you okay? I don't know if he passed out because his dog life vest was too tight. Or if he passed out out of like sheer like terror. But it was like so crazy. We got to record it. We got to record it partially on our Ring camera, but
not of him passing
you can't
out.
see when he passed out, but you can see when I picked him up because he was passed out. And then he got out and started shaking himself off like nothing ever happened. I'm like, what just happened here? Did he pass out from fear or this life vest? I think it was the life vest because it was cutting off his circulation somewhat. It was pretty funny. Poor dog. He's terrified. I wish he wasn't terrified of the pool because he's not terrified of going in the ocean. He'll go in the beach, the dog beach. He'll go and he'll swim around. But here in the house, he's like terrified to go into the pool. It's crazy. I don't know why. What is it with these crazy dogs? They all have personalities, these dogs.
Yeah, but I'm not gonna lie, his neck is pretty big.
Yeah, I'm thinking maybe because he thinks that dolphin is real. He's like, I'm scared of dolphins.
And my big dog, Handsome, he's big, but he's a little one.
He's like 60 pounds, right?
He's roughly 50 to 60.
Yeah, 50 to 60.
But his neck is so fat. I kid you not. His head is so small because every single time we put a collar on him,
You got a thick linebacker
he
neck.
knows how to move out of it so we can take it off and then he can start running. Because again, his head is small, but his neck is fat. And I'm like, how? That does not make any sense. But no collar fits him perfect where it has to come out. So I just have to tighten it so it's not suffocating. But he still finds a way to get out of it.
Yeah, but he's scared of that pool. I don't know why he's so scared of it. And it doesn't help. The other day, my daughter brought him in the pool and just dumped him in. Like,
she literally
figure it out.
tossed him in there, and I'm like, you can't.
He was so traumatized. He swam over to me like,
His
help
eyes
me.
His eyes looked like they were coming out of his head. I felt so bad.
Oh yeah.
And I told Catalina, like, you can't, like, you gotta little by little, eventually.
Yeah, ease him into the pool so he's not traumatized. Yeah. Joe, you ever throw your muskrat in the pool to see how they would react? Or your Persian cat?
Babe, stop with this Persian cat thing.
What?
Oh my gosh.
Alright, so we're gonna move down here.
You're funny though.
InQ's melting. Are you in this trade too, babe, or just Patty?
No, it's just Patty.
She's melting a little bit here. Or maybe she wants you to think she's melting. Who knows? You never know with the InQ. Just never know.
How come this one I don't see anything going on?
You've bathed your cat, Joey? My babe?
Oh, good luck to you, Joey. I heard they don't like water.
How come you don't see the thing there?
Yeah.
Because that's a different strategy. That one is this, the original smooth trader concept indicator. And the one I have on right now is a different strategy.
Okay. I heard they scratch you when you try to give them a shower or bathe them. I had a cat once for like a week. My mom, no, I'm lying, for like a day. My mom, I was really young. My mom was like, no, take that cat somewhere else because my mom does not like cats.
Get that stinking cat out of here.
You just gotta be in control. That cat scratched me though.
Did you have cat scratch fever after that?
They got some sharp claws.
What's going on, Pop-Tart?
Yeah, no, I think the cat would be in control of me because I'm too scared.
Wow. Cats could see into your soul, I heard.
Yeah. I thought it was horses.
Horses?
I thought horses can.
Horses are therapeutic, I heard, but cats can... I heard cats steal your soul when you're sleeping.
You're so funny.
Yeah.
My cat
Like that
scratches
movie.
me almost every day, but I don't really care to be.
Joey says he's immune to the pain. You should declaw your cat. That would be cool.
I heard that's bad. You can't do that because they need that for a reason or something like that.
They need their claws for a reason?
I think.
To be a menace to society?
Yeah, I heard that if you declaw them or something like that. I know it puts them in a depression. But I heard you can't.
Because they get joy out of scratching their owners?
Yeah. See, even Joey says no, don't declaw the cat.
Oh, okay. Gotcha. Good thing I'm going to put the claws back on the cat that I declawed last week. Can I borrow your nail glue, babe?
That's funny. So that's like removing the fingertips of your fingers off. Yeah, that's true.
That's horrible. I'm not doing that again.
Oh, what do you mean again?
I'm just kidding. I never declawed a cat.
There was a cat that used to come by my husband's condo at the time. And I'm not gonna lie, I like the cat. The cat liked me. And you guys even fed it for people that don't like cats. Remember?
Yeah.
So, animal lovers.
I mean, I love all of God's creatures.
It was a sweet cat, though.
Yeah, he's a very sweet cat.
Yeah.
But I just didn't really trust cats, you know?
No, yeah, I think your mom said something.
He grew
like,
on me, though.
You can't trust them because one day they'll like, it depends on their mood. Like, some days they love you, some days they don't.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Sometimes you feel like a nut. Sometimes you don't.
I like cats. I like all animals. But I am terrified if they try to scratch me up there. Like, my husband wants an iguana. Like, what?
Yeah, they have claws, too.
I'm good.
I don't want an iguana. I just want to have iguanas in my yard.
That's not true.
I don't want it as a pet.
Babe.
Like, I'm going to walk it with a leash or anything. I just want them in my yard roaming free. Like, you know, that's their place, you know?
Patty said that her brother had a pet iguana that slept on his bed.
I bet.
That's so funny.
They like to be kept warm.
I'm good. It's like a lizard. I don't want geckos. I don't like geckos. I don't like... No. Oh, don't say gecko.
I'm going to get a Gia monster and extract poison from it so I could sell it as Ozempic on the black market.
I can't. What's a null?
Oh, what?
Patty said Patty said she had a little teeny tiny lizard called a null. No? You don't know what that is yet? Let me Google it.
The thing with cats are different. Cats have different personalities, says Joey. Not all cats are going to enjoy what other cats enjoy. It's just like dogs, too. You got to find out what they like. So you got to date your cat before you buy it. Like, hey, cat, what are you into? Like long walks on the beach?
How do you spell a null?
LGK right now in front of my eyes says come. I don't know, babe.
A-N-O-L. like a no,
Like Beyonce, like a
lizard
Beyonce no?
pet. I'm good.
Like a Beyonce no?
I really, yo, I'm so weird, but I just
That's
don't.
like a gecko.
Yeah, that's like a gecko, but I'm good.
We have a lot of those around here. Not much geckos, but I think they're like, what are they? They're geckos? No, they're not geckos. The ones we have around here?
Huh?
The ones we have here all the time? They're called geckos, right? The ones we...
That's so funny. Yo, I can't with you guys. My husband wants a thing.
I will have a monster iguana one day, this big.
Babe, we're not getting an
The
iguana
length of my arms.
Ever.
You
Wait
saw the
till
ones that we saw in
pass.
Puerto Rico? They were so beautiful.
I'm not good.
Sunbathing.
Stare at them in
They
Puerto
were just
Rico.
sunbathing. They were just chilling. I saw a huge one in Miami once too. Remember the one we saw in Miami?
Jesus,
so
take the wheel.
they're so majestic.
They
They're just
could be
beautiful.
beautifully majestic where they are. Don't come in my house. Like, I'm good. People have pet spiders. They have a snake. Ugh.
I mean, you gotta have a snake. Get rid of your
I'm not even gonna
spider
lie.
problem.
I'm even saying no to hamsters. Like, my cousin had a hamster growing up, and I'm good. They're cute and fluffy and stuff, and I'll pet them at the petting zoo if I can, but as a pet, I'm good. Because imagine, I think that they're a rat if they come out the house. If they come out their cage and they start running around the house, I'm gonna think it's a pet rat, or it's a rat, not a pet. It's a rat. Yeah, but I'm good. Just a dog.
And take care, Vintage.
Yeah.
My cat doesn't like to be picked up and snuggled, but I know plenty of cats that do like that. So you gotta find out what their personality is so they don't get your ass beat.
You're so funny.
Yeah.
Actually, I might even do a pet. What's it called? Not a weasel.
You got-
Ferret. I might even do a ferret.
Oh, they stink. I heard.
Yeah, you could just give them a bath.
You know, you got to give the cat a personality test first, a disc test, before you adopt them to make sure that they're a good fit for you.
That's funny, man. I'm just saying, like, I have no problem with that. But, like, yeah, I heard that too. Hey, sorry. A flying rat. A watermelon.
Get a sugar glider. A sugar glider. Got to take time off here. Oh man, yeah.
I'm literally too much of a city person.
Market is a mess right now. Yeah, market's a little
Actually-
bit of a mess right now, Con.
I wouldn't mind a pet rabbit.
We have
Like,
rabbits
that's
all
cute,
over
like
the
a
place here.
bunny. Yeah.
You mean the fat white ones, like those?
Yeah, like the white ones. My cousin has one in DR, and it doesn't like being in the cage, but it's so cute.
It's not a UFC fighter.
Who?
It's not a UFC fighter, the rabbit.
No, babe, it's not a UFC.
Doesn't like to be in the
Crying
cage
out
together.
loud, this man.
No. Come on, NQ. Go up already, man. This market is tough, Joey. It is very tough. Lost 34 counts in 10 days. Damn, Con. Holy smokes. Yeah. She's not very forthcoming. She shows you one thing and does another. Smacks you upside the head. What's up, Lunar? How you doing, girl? Ah. She's not doing Nathan right now. She's not going neither up or down.
Yeah.
She said, I go sideways. I'll see you later.
Oh gosh, that's one thing I can't do. I can't with crickets. I can't with crickets. I'm just.
With what?
What?
You can't deal with what?
Patty said that well, the only bad thing about her lizard
Uh-huh.
is that the crickets.
Oh, crickets.
Yeah, if they ever.
They're delicious.
Well, you ain't eating one.
I've eaten plenty of
He's
crickets.
not eating crickets.
You ever had a cricket taco in Mexico?
No, babe. Would you ever have chicken feet?
Chicken feet are good. They're just cartilage. I mean, they're just basically, what is it, biotin that you guys are all craving
You
and want to
would
get
have-
healthy hair? Eat chicken's feet. They have a lot of cartilage and
Should I s-
biotin and all that you need. Collagen. Yeah, that collagen you guys be craving. Like, oh, collagen's so
you
good
want
for
me to
you.
Give you chicken feet?
It's so good for you, collagen.
You want me to make you chicken feet?
I
You
holler
eat
them.
chicken feet, but you won't have fish.
I don't like fish. You got a job starting at the end of the month, Con? What you working on?
Chicken feet is not as good as fish, in my opinion.
Yeah. You feel like your levels that have always been
No,
respected
no.
have been struggling? The market has a way of changing up
Sister and I
all the
have.
time, man. She does one thing for a while, but then changes it up. That's why you got to be very dynamic, man. No feelings, no
I've even
emotions.
had lamb. Not lamb. What is that called?
I don't like the taste of lamb.
I think it is lamb.
I don't like anything gamey.
They're not bad. Just depends on how you cook them. Wow.
There's this restaurant. Go ahead.
No, go ahead.
There's this restaurant here in Southwest Florida. It's farm to table restaurant. So they have the farm, big farm there. So you go there to the farm, and you can see the animals, the pigs, and all that stuff. And then they have a restaurant right there too. So you eat fresh from the farm.
Yeah.
But a lot of people are like, how are you going to show me the poor little piglets and pigs and like the cows and everything, then expect me to go to the restaurant and then have a burger or have some bacon, knowing it came from the animals that I just saw? Like, would you have the heart to do that, to go to a restaurant like that where you like
No,
you see the
I
animal?
wouldn't want to see it.
It's like picking out your lobster. Like, I want that one right there.
Yeah, like I'm good.
I want that lobster right there. I'll eat him.
You were just saying something of like there's a restaurant where they have like the pigs and everything and all the animals there, and at the same time you can order, yeah, you order food and stuff. So it's like you're kind of basically choosing your death. So I'm like, I'm good. I don't
Yeah.
want to see it.
They don't kill the animal that you want. They obviously they're already.
No, I know,
Yeah.
but like you know that they're right in front of you,
Yeah.
and then you have beef in your face.
Exactly.
Exactly. Patty said she's like, I don't want to see their face before I eat them. Like that's kind of how I feel too.
Yeah, it is kind of sad to see them in their like happy state over there, like
Exactly. And then
chilling
they're
with their
like-
mom and hanging out, and then before you know it, you're eating them on
Exactly.
your
So I'm
burger.
like, nah.
Joey says, I love fish, but I'm poor, so I don't even eat fish. You know, they have a lot of good fish, cat food fish. You and your cat can eat from the same cat can. I'm just kidding. I'm sure you can get a lot of tilapia at Costco.
Oh, babe.
Come on, thank you. Push up. I think Joey is a cat. I think that's a spirit animal. He likes fish. He has a cat. I don't think you're into muskrats. I think you're the cat whisperer. Come to think of it. And this market's doing absolutely nothing right now. That Bitcoin short got ripped apart. Bitcoin's pumping again. What's up, Lunar? Get the pasta, Lunar. Lunar's being a bully, babe.
Yeah. No, there's no food. This dog is sassy.
She is being sassy, extra sassy. Yeah, Mark has been stuck in the 50-point range for an hour now. Your cat eats more fish than you do. Yeah, this market's
No.
extra
Go
suspect.
to bed.
Market's very suspect.
I was just telling my husband about we saw the Paraguay and
France game?
France game. Yeah, that was really savage.
Yo, they even got into a fight at the end of the game.
I don't like when people play dirty, personally speaking. And every 5 seconds they were like, I'm injured, help me.
Oh yeah, they throw themselves on the floor like actors.
Yeah. Like, they should be actors.
Stuntmen.
Or stuntmen, yeah. Okay,
Luna,
I
see,
agree
watch
with
them.
watermelon. I can't eat crawfish either. I'm good. I might as well eat an actual roach. So-
Yeah, my wife was just saying that when we visited Texas, because they're
He
big
says
on
I can't
crawfish
eat
over there.
crawfish. Yeah, like I heard a crawfish boil. I can't do that. I'm good.
Just season some roaches and sell it to people.
And then Abel said Mexico and England was the best full on war.
Did they really? I haven't watched the replay yet, so I'm gonna watch that today, because I was too busy watching my wife's favorite shows yesterday.
No, the person that wrote the crawfish thing was the user was watermelon.
Yeah, watermelon trade. Yeah, crawfish. I'll stay away from that. Thank you.
Yo, she's mad at me.
Who's that?
Luna
Luna?
took my shoe, and now because I wasn't paying attention, she turned her back on me.
She's like, I'm done with you, woman. I'm gonna find me a new owner.
She's so mad. I'm so sorry, child.
This market is just acting very what can I say to not get banned on TikTok? This market is acting very flamboyant, shopping buddy-ish. Come on, NQ. Don't do us dirty like that. This market looks like a place for the other team. Come on, baby. Do something nice. Push up, push up, push up, NQ. It's like you don't get paid early on the NQ, it's hard to get paid later. This market is doing nothing right now. She's about to clap Johnny's cheeks again. Don't do it. Don't do it, market. Johnny 5 will not compute. Oof, it's getting heavy. Sorry, Patty.
Yeah, it is getting
She got heavy.
Alright.
It's 11. And the market's acting like it's 12.
Really?
Yeah.
She
She's
only
been going
has-
sideways.
No. She's trying to get out because she's gonna lose it. She's only at 88.
Oh.
So.
She didn't have a stop on?
Huh?
She didn't have a stop on?
She did have a stop on, but
If she sees this market push up a little bit, tell her just to put her stop at where it was on this last candle.
she's already out, babe.
Oh, she's out already? Oh, I thought she was still in it.
No.
Oh.
Yeah, it took her out.
Yeah. NQ's dirty, man. Now she's going to rip up, probably. This kid's going to be somebody better than anybody ever knew. We believe in you, Joey. I know you got this, brother. She did Johnny dirty here on these bot sheets. Oh, you don't know that's from Muhammad Ali? Man, there's so many good movies that I've watched that I don't remember the dialogue. But that sounds like something you would say, Joey. I'm the trade from 26 for the last couple of hours waiting for 80. Oh, you're in a trade from 26. From what, 926? Abel? I gotta watch the Muhammad Ali movie with Will Smith. Is that the one you're talking about? Or was it? Will Smith played Muhammad Ali, right, Ben?
Will Smith played Muhammad
Yeah.
Ali, yeah.
926, you're looking for 3080. I think Rumo's on a short. Rumo might be green right now. Smooth Trader Concepts Indicator has not given us a signal since we had that nice signal earlier today. Those few signals earlier today. She gave us a nice, nice short here. A nice long here. Nice long. Another nice long right here to the dollar. That was crazy right there. That was a good overnight session. Oh, another nice short right there. Bang. Oh, just balling. Smooth Trader Concepts Indicator guy has been updated, and it is spot on right now, guys. I strongly suggest that you guys go and refresh your indicator. Take off the old one. All you have to do is go into your object tree, erase the smooth trader concepts indicator you have right now and then re-upload it, you'll get the new version of it. It is so money. So money. This one's one loser here. Another winner there. Another winner right there. Another winner right there. There's a loser here. Loser here. Small losers, by the way. Very, very small. Alright, this is where it got real interesting. This was on Thursday. Small loss there. Big win here. Big win right here on this one. Big win right there. Another nice size win right there. Another nice win right there. Another win there. Another win there. Another win there. This is a loser. Got real close to it though. Another. This is the overnight session, I think. Yeah. Small loss right there. Another loss there. Nice winner right there. This was a huge winner right here. This was a huge winner. This was 282 points right there to the upside. Real nice. Took a small loss after that, but this was a beast of a trade right there. Nice winner right there. So the indicator is on beast mode right now, guys. I have made some updates to it and some new logic to it, and it is looking very, very promising. If you guys haven't used the indicator yet, you guys can do so for 7 days, $7. Test it out. If you guys don't absolutely love it, you don't have to keep using it. But if you do want to use it after that, it's less than $2 a day. So check that out for sure. How much backtesting will it let me do, Smooth? The Smooth Trader Concepts Indicator, unfortunately, does not let you do more than about 2 weeks backtesting, and that's not a limitation on our side. It's a limitation on TradingView because TradingView only provides delta data only so far back. So on the 1 minute is where I like to do my backtesting on. The 5 minute and the 30 minute, obviously you'll get more. But then you have to change the settings to appropriately compensate for a bigger time frame. So I do most of my trading on the 1 minute. So on 1 minute you can go back about 2 weeks. But the real power is in the forward testing. So if you set up a demo account and just forward test on the demo account, you can get some real results. Oh yeah, you should use the Heiken-Ashi candles. I think they work better. I haven't backtested them on regular candles. I have not backtested on regular candles yet. Let me see if that makes much of a difference. Here's regular candles. Yeah, you're gonna want to use Heiken-Ashi, even though you had good results here, pretty good right there, good hit right there, loss right there, another winner right here. For me, I just found that Heiken-Ashi just works so much better because it does do a great job of smoothing out the price action and the volume, and that's what we're kind of looking for. So I keep everything on Heiken-Ashi, and I think you guys will really enjoy using Heiken-Ashi. Believe me, I wasn't a fan of it at first, but then it kind of grew on me. Free version is updated as well. There's no updates that needed to be done to the free version. The free version is still what it was. So if you go here to our scripts, this is the new order flow simplified. That's just the one I just showed you. But the Smooth Trader Volume Toolkit, this is still free. You guys can download that for free on TradingView. Just go into TradingView and type in Smooth Trader, and you'll see the toolkit, Volume Toolkit. That is still free. And no updates to that because there's no updates needed to that. That's working perfectly. But this, we have a complete rehaul to this, and it's working so beautifully. Yeehaw. Yeah, no, rehaul or something like that. Mm-hmm. A complete yeehaw. Come on, NQ, do something. Guys, she's not doing much, but if you guys want to do something, can you hit the like button for us? That would help us a lot.
Please,
Yeah, that'll help us out so much, tremendously. We took some time off to go on vacation a couple weeks ago, and algorithm has not really had us in such high esteem since we got back, so we're trying to get back in there. Can we get the 50 likes today? We'll do that 2-week giveaway of the indicator. We're only at 21 likes, guys. Let's see if we can get the 50 likes, and we'll do a 2-week giveaway of the Smooth Trader Concepts indicator. Thanks for the follow on Kick. T-Fat Trading. T-Fat Trading. TFA Trading. I guess that's what he's saying. TFA Trading. I don't know if it said T-Fart Trading, T-Fat. No, it's TFA Trading. Thank you.
So funny.
You accidentally bought a pack of Pokemon cards for $20, and I don't know what to do with them now. How would you accidentally buy Pokemon cards? That's like a big thing nowadays. Pokemon got big.
Still obsessed with Pokemon cards.
I don't know why it made such a big comeback this year. It just really has.
And he's only like 5 years younger
Really?
than me. Yeah.
I got a whole bunch right here.
Adrian, remember?
He's obsessed with him. He's like a grown man.
Yeah, but he loves them.
Oh,
Yeah, he still collects them.
So it reminds him of his youth. That's how I feel about Garbage Pail Kids. Who's still into collecting Garbage Pail Kids? Who's with me? I would collect them if they had them, but you guys don't know nothing about that.
Hey,
All right, NQ. What are we doing here?
she said she could pick them up.
Okay. I got a free $25 on Fanatics, and I didn't know what they would do, what they would charge me for shipping from my bank account. So now I got cards coming to my house, I guess. What's Fanatics? Is that like a sports book, like betting app or something? Sounds like it. Man, this ain't cute. She's like, all I just wanted was Patty stop. That's it. And Johnny stop. Now I want to go back up. What was that? Who knows? But yeah, I agree. Could have been. Wow. think he was just chilling. That was your A plus long. You missed it. I'm just completely on tilt and out of touch. Well, you know what, Khan? The first step is admitting that you are that way, and I think you're doing a big thing just saying that the fact that you've acknowledged that you feel that way. Next thing I would say is don't trade for a few days, maybe a week. Like, you're good with that kind of stuff. You're very disciplined when it comes to taking some time off. Come back with a fresh set of eyes and a fresh mind. I've had to take off months. They have an app where you can auction on sports cards and cards and stuff. Oh, that's really cool. I love sports cards. I used to be really into baseball, collecting baseball cards when I was a kid. I loved it. I couldn't go to a grocery store without asking my dad to buy me a deck of like Donruss cards, Topps cards, Upper Deck. Upper Deck were expensive. If you were getting Upper Deck cards, they were you were spending a little bit more. The Donruss cards were real cheap. But it was good times. You have so many football cards, nothing really good? Yeah, Con, that's sometimes the best thing you can do. This market right now, it seems like it wants to take everybody into the same place, which is kind of like, looks like she's megaphoning here. She's taking everybody to the cleaners. You know, a megaphone pattern, right, guys? A megaphone pattern is not something you want to kind of trade. And we saw the higher time frame one daily candles too. They're also creating a very consolidative pattern. But when you have price opening up like this to the downside, and then price also opening up to the upside, yeah, it's a megaphone, and that gets really tough to trade because market ends up just kind of bouncing in between. You know, God knows when it stops. It's taking everybody out. So take your profits while you're in. Profits, I would say. Probably the best thing you can do. Yeah, it's a long right now. S1. The MOAS has a long. Yeah, tell Patty. Yeah, tell Patty to take it. Looks like Johnny's going long right now. Johnny's going long. Go long, Johnny. Go long, buddy.
Yeah, I was gonna say, I'll stop you out.
Go long, buddy. Johnny is long. So is Patty. Let's keep our fingers crossed for both of them. Hopefully she'll rip now. Let's see if we can get some clean price action here, right back up to the upside. 150s is where Johnny wants to take his profits. And see if it'll do it. Let's see if this smooth trader concepts indicator here is any good, or if you're just a hunk of garbage. Don't do us dirty, NQ.
Mike has been off this whole time.
Your what? Your mic?
Yeah.
So nobody's been
sorry.
nobody's been hearing you? How bad you were talking about everybody?
You're funny, man.
Alright, hopefully we get this push here, guys. Guys, if you hit the likes if you can, it mean a lot to us. We get the 50 likes to do a giveaway. Come on, NQ, push it, baby. I don't know what we got to do here. Let's do a song and dance for everybody. She was okay. My wife was calling you guys gamblers and losers. Yeah, she was. I'm sorry, man.
No, I'm not.
She was not. Come on, NQ. Stop being so dirty. Somebody was waiting for a TP at 80. Who was it? Somebody was looking for a TP at 80. So they're going to be getting here pretty soon. It looks like the market's trying to go higher. Oh, man, could she move any slower is my question. She's been moving real slow today. NQ only has 2 speeds, slow and reverse. Oh, Catalina, what's up, baby? Good morning, guys. Hope you have a relaxing day. Yeah, we're having a relaxing day, Mama. Thank you. I'll see you soon. I miss you so much. Tell Stella I said hi. And tell Stella go lick Kayla's face. So beautiful. You're so cute, baby. the way your chart looks. So clean, right? Look, it doesn't look a lot cleaner now?
Oh, this?
Yeah.
Yeah. I was like, what are you talking about?
We're just gonna have to wait here. This holding pattern. What else we got going on here? What else is cooking? DJ Khaled uploading the footage of Jay-Z on the field during Brazil FIFA game.
Yeah, what are you listening to?
Me?
No, not it.
Ah. During Brazil game, World Cup game, where members of the team came up to greet Jay-Z in what appeared to be another marketing stunt to bring attention to his album that sold under 30,000 units. Really, I didn't even know Jay-Z had a new. I didn't even know he had a new album. He's gonna have to renew his contract with the Illuminati soon. Stella said hi. Oh, thank you, baby. What's up, Sam B? Blessings trading fam. I hope everyone is well and staying green. Thank you, Sam B. Does that include robots too, or just people? Do you wish robots a good day too? I hope you do. Don't be a robotist, a robo-racist. Don't be a robo-supremacist.
What, babe?
I'm just kidding. I'm messing with Sandy.
Chuckle. Done for what?
No, I didn't know if you were done. I don't know if that's
Nope.
Oh, come on, man. Man, this market today really got us really got us a little bit upset here. We got 100 point. No, I mean it's a 100-point range, but it's just been going sideways. I mean, this range right here was really painful. Yeah, that was like 60 points. This one at least is a little bit bigger.
Go up.
Come on, IQ. We need you to do that little dance to the upside here. She waiting for something? I don't think IQ's waiting for something. Waiting for an invitation. I don't know what she's waiting for. Robots need love too, says MB. Yes, they do. I'm a robo-racist, says Joey. Oh, man. Those damn clankers. Come on, NQ, make us proud.
She's so funny.
Who's that?
Catalina. She's talking about what we were talking about earlier with the mosquitoes and stuff.
Oh, she's listening to. Don't go too far. Sharks usually do not go to the shoreline, and mosquitoes actually take a little bit of your blood to make babies, but only the females do. Ah, she knows her stuff.
I like that she's paying
Very
attention
intelligent.
right now. She's going back.
She's many years. She's like, Catalina's like above. What is that called? Beyond her years, or
It's beyond her years, babe.
beyond her years? She's like
Yeah.
very. She's always been very intelligent, very early.
Yeah, until I just sent her a video yesterday
Uh huh.
on someone looking for something. It's really about husbands, but I feel like Athena's like that. Like something's right in front of her, and then she'll come to me saying,
She can't find it. Yeah,
And it takes me like a millisecond, and I'm like, it's right there.
it's right there. I have my first day of teaching summer school in the autism program. Some of these students are hilarious. Oh, I thought you weren't doing summer school this year, Samby. But that's cool, man.
That's cool.
We gotta get you on the show, Sam B, before you go back.
Oh, where?
We gotta get Sam B on stream before he goes back.
Yeah. Sorry. No, I keep yawning.
she's moving a little bit. She's making progress. Slight progress. The 30-minute looks really bullish. Might be heading up to some higher numbers here. Looking for one trade and one trade only, says Joey. Come on, NQ. See if we can get this push up to the 150s. That would be nice. Oh, fall asleep watching this market. This market's just going nowhere.
So funny.
Yeah, Mrs. Smooth killed it today. She took a long with 4 contracts, and she didn't realize she was in 4 contracts, but she made the best of it and scaled out. She didn't let fear get her in a state of panic where she closed out her trade immediately, but she held on to them, and she scaled out. She did really well. She killed it.
Praise the Lord.
Yes, praise the Lord indeed. I wish there was a way I could show your screen, but
I'm gonna be too busy.
we're gonna have to go through Discord and all that complicated stuff. I'm falling asleep here with this market. Come on, market, do something. Keep me awake.
Wake up, sir.
I'm about to eat some of those sour straws you got.
It's in your. It's,
Just
oh. I'm not gonna say no.
no sugar till after the honeymoon.
Sure.
She's taking me out today? Yeah, she's taking me out. I wish. It's she's working on her eval right now, so once that becomes real doll hairs, then she'll take me out. Arweta says she's a boss lady. She's always been a boss lady ever since I met her.
There's been a what?
A boss lady. You're a boss lady. This thing's gonna rip. It's gonna rip. That much I can probably say. It's just hard to say when, at what point. Come on, NQ. Today would be nice. I think the market just rolled over and died. To be quite honest with you guys.
Yeah, it's going a lot slower now.
Yeah, she's going up, but she's just kind of like so stagnant
Yeah,
right
but
now.
it's
Stuck in the
slow.
mud. ATRs are about to drop under 10 pretty soon, probably. Let me see. ATR 16 right now on the regular candles. On the Heiken Ashish is 18. It's pretty slow. You need to learn how to separate trading from money. Any advice? Program a bot. Program an algorithm to trade for you, and then you don't have to worry about it. No, but the reality is that it's hard to do. Joey, is one of the hardest things you can do is not trade your P&L, not trade your bias, not trade the last trade wrecked you. It's hard to not feel some kind of way about it. If you have a really big win, it's kind of hard to not be overconfident in the next trade. Like it's just the human condition, man. It's difficult to do. If I figure it out, I'll tell you, but I haven't figured it out. That's why I'm trading via the algo bots, because it's doing a lot better job than me at maintaining its cool and composure, and it doesn't have to sleep. Trading's like marriage, says Sambi. And it messes up your psychology. Yeah, it does. You can have a really good week and you can be on top of the world, and next week you just get wrecked and you're like, what am I doing, wasting my time? You attach your feelings to your P&L too much? Yeah, maybe Sam B can give you some more insight on that, because he's a really good trader. He trades his own funds, and he has a great way of staying always level-headed even when he's winning and losing. I've never seen him get overly excited, and I've never seen him get upset about a trade either. So Sam B would be the right guy to talk to. Let's go, InQ. Guys, we had almost 40-some people watching here. Only 21 likes. Can we get a like? Switch your P&L to points. Yeah, that's a good idea, too. Oh, we got a new sub. Welcome, new sub. Alex74, thanks for joining. Appreciate you, brother. You go alone. Go. Johnny's looking for a TP around 150. He said he's tired of getting his bot cheeks clapped, so he's going to take out the 150, make some money back. Yeah, that is true. Sam B rarely checks his P&L because he's always wrong about what he thinks he has as a P&L for the day. Sometimes he thinks he's up $2,000, he's actually up $4,000. Sometimes he thinks he's down, he's actually up, or vice versa. So yeah, you can't really check your P&L too much if you're gonna try to keep your head in the game. One of the hardest things to do, but you gotta do it. Come on, InQ. Do something. Break free from this invisible force field. Looking for a pop here above 80, guys. Into the 150s. But man, is she slow. Joey says, I'll lose my mind. I'll lose my trade, and then my mind goes back into make it back mode, and then I go full R word. Yeah, that happens to me too. Thanks for putting in the R word, because I don't want to say it by accident, because TikTok will ban me for life. Come on, InQ. She's something else. I really want to stick around here with you guys till this trade either TPs. Hopefully CPs. Yeah. Hopefully TPs and not stop losses, but we'll see. A lot of people end up getting like that. Joe, you're not alone. Revenge trading is one of the worst things. One of the worst symptoms you can have when you're trading. You might get away with not doing it once or twice, but I think, if you got that in you, eventually it'll creep in at the worst time. It'll creep in when you're $1 away from passing an eval, a payout. when you've had like a straight solid month of nothing but green, it'll just sneak up on you. And that's what's dangerous. That's why trading is the hardest thing you could do. Sam B says the P&L is like a wife. You have to pour into her heart and wisdom. You have to pour in her heart with wisdom, or else, if you follow emotions that is fresh driven, she can lose a heart for you in a day or a week or in a month. Yeah. It's funny how things are very much related. Come on, man. Seriously, this price action today, man. Do we got something big coming up tomorrow that the markets are moving so slow? Or something this week? Let me see the calendar. Do we have anything tomorrow? Tuesday? Nothing Tuesday, nothing tomorrow. Wednesday, we have FOMC minutes at 2 p.m. Unemployment claims on a Thursday. And that's it. Slow week. Maybe it's going to be like this all week. Done with my phone?
Yeah.
Nice. Man, I'm getting sick and tired of this NQ. I'm about to light a fire under her. Is that how the saying goes? Light a match under her or light a fire under her? Something. Something to do with...
I think it was the first one you said.
Huh?
I think it was the first one you said.
Light a fire under her?
It's a light a fire, light a match.
Yeah. Something that's going to get me in trouble for arson. Come on, NQ. Guys, if we're still going sideways here at 12 o'clock, I'm going to call it. I'm sorry to tell you, but this is just painful to watch. Joey, you're probably right. I was the same way for a long time. I think I just want to be one of those traders making good money so bad that I rush the process and make dumb trades and over leverage trades. I think that's the majority of people's problem, and that was my problem for a long time too. Until this year when I started just going real slow and small position sizes. I used to trade nothing but minis. Now I trade nothing but micros, and things actually ended up turning around for me this year. I got a lot of payouts with just 1 micro, 2 micros, 3 micros the most. So yeah, just scaling down and playing the long game. For me, I've figured out that I kind of have to erase myself from the equation because I am the wild card. I'm the variable. So that's why I brought Johnny into the mix and let him do the trading for me. Teach him how I want to trade and let him do the trading. Apex got some news. Let's see what's up. David says if we can get some content on immediately promoting the anniversary promotion before it ends tomorrow night, whether it's an email, a social post, or a short video, IG, or a mention to your audience, one final push over the next 48 hours. Let your audience know that 90% off right now. So guys, 90% off right now. The anniversary promotion ends tomorrow for Apex. So right now, 90% off ends tomorrow with Apex, guys. Tuesday, July 7th. This includes the $250,000 legacy account for just $17. Yeah, you can get a $250,000 account with Apex right now for just $17. That is pretty insane. And once the deadline passes, the offer is gone. The holiday week gave many traders less time to take advantage of the promotion, which is why we've extended the special. $177 for the legacy P activation fee through Tuesday. Okay, that's pretty good. Okay. Yeah, so it looks like we are getting to the final hours of that promotion sale with Apex. If you guys want to check out Apex, hit the link that's pinned in the chat. You can get a 250K account for $17 right now. That's the legacy account. I don't even have it here because it's legacy. It's the old ones. So if you guys want to check their website, which we're linked to down here, if you go to our, apologize. I always forget that I have the other screen on. Yeah, if you go to our profit matrix, you can check out the Apex accounts, and they have a 250,000 legacy account that you can get for $17 right now. You follow the link to Apex right here. Look for that 250K account and use code SmoothTrader to get the price down to $17. So if you guys are interested in taking advantage of Apex sale before they expire tomorrow, 90% off, go ahead and do that. Yo, this is really painful right now. You are not going anywhere, EQ, and anywhere fast. Comparison is the thief of joy. I say that all the time. It happens, Joey, says Sambi. I still struggle with those feelings, but what helped me was the principle in the Bible. Sin is knocking on your door. You have to master it. Yeah, you got to be complete control of your own emotions and yourself. And if you aren't, you got to be honest with that too. Until you can be in control, there's probably no point in continuing doing the same mistakes over and over again. Take a break. The thing is that we're not really meant to be traders because trading opens up a part of our brain, the amygdala, which is the fight or flight part of our brain, where we're fighting against, we're working against our own brains that's been, kind of programmed over millions of years to be able to protect you. So you're putting in a situation where it feels like it's in danger by losing money, right? Because money is how you survive, right? How you pay for things. And we activate that part of our brain, and then we're trying to act against those feelings, or those emotions, but it's not really natural. It's the hardest thing you'll ever have to program your mind to do, is to not feel fear when you're supposed to feel fear. This is weird. Hot Cedar says he blew a couple of 250Ks fast. You can YOLO 27 minis. That's a big size. It's trading. It's trailing drawdown with 6K drawdown and a 15K profit target on eval. Yeah, so you do have to YOLO them. You kind of do. Joey says he has a tough relationship with God, to be honest. Well, it's good that you admit that, because God doesn't want you to love him or have a relationship just be out of obedience. I mean, not obedience, but just obligation is the word I'm looking for. So if you feel that way, talk to him about it and say, look, I have a hard time having a relationship with you. And tell him why. If it's because, maybe you're not, maybe you need to see him more in your life. Ask him, show yourself more in my life. Have a conversation is all I can say. A lot of things will come to you. A lot of things will reveal themselves to you. But you ain't going to get it from us. You'll get it from him.
Amen.
I'm about to pray to God right now to put the NQ out of its misery. Oh, this NQ right now is not doing anything. No worries, Joey. Thank you. Speaking of which, guys, I think I'm going to probably call it here because this thing is just not doing anything.
Not Kayla.
Catalina?
No, Patty's still in it.
Patty? Yeah, I'm staying in it too, Patty. I'm not going anywhere with the trade. Yeah. But I am going to sign off here because it's 12 o'clock and I have other things to work on. And market is going sideways, so there's no need for me to care. Moderating sideways price action. So here we go, Father God. Thank you for this day, Lord. Father, thank you for this weekend you've given us, where you've given us the opportunity to spend time with our families and enjoy time. Oh, Father, resting our minds and resting our bodies, Lord. And we thank you for this week that you've given us now, where we can have an opportunity once again to provide for our families, Father, and to learn, Lord, and to honor you and to glorify your name. Father, I pray for this community and anyone in it, and any person in here who has not become close to you, Father, or doesn't know your presence or your love or your joy that you could bring to them and their family, Father. I pray that they have the opportunity, Father, and they have the open mind, Lord, that they need in order to have a relationship with you, Father. I pray that any illness that's affecting them and their families, Father, that illness be looked over by you, Father, that you protect that family and you show them mercy, Father, and you give them peace. And all things, Father, happen for our good, and you say that in your own words, Father, that all things that happen to us, Father, happen for the good. And Lord, you have a perfect plan for all of us and each one of us, Lord. So allow us to always know that you're in the driver's seat, and to know you have our best intentions always, Father. Also pray, Father, you keep us safe until we meet again tomorrow. In Jesus' name we pray, amen. All right, guys, I will see you all tomorrow, and good luck here. If you guys want to check out the Smooth Trader Concepts Indicator, the new and improved, and so much more improved Smooth Trader Concepts Indicator, make sure to hit that link that's pinned in the chat, and you guys will be able to see the 7 days for $7 that we have going on right now. You can also become an affiliate with Smooth Trader Concepts, and you can earn 30% recurring on any monthly subscriptions and 30% on any lifetime subscriptions as well. So check that out, guys. You guys can use the Smooth Trader Concepts for 7 days, only $7, and after that, it's less than $2 a day if you want to keep using it. Also check out our Profit Matrix, where you guys can see 90% off Apex, 50% off Trade Day. Right now, Tradeify is running a deal 40% off, and Lucid right now is doing 40% off their Pro accounts. So check those out. Smooth Trader is the code for all of them, and we have the links down here. Also, guys, I'm trading Bitcoin with our BTC exchange. It's called BTCC. They give you $30 just for signing up and doing a KYC. They will give you up to $10,000 sign-up bonuses and up to $30,000 bonuses along the way as you accrue more volume, guys. So yeah, check it out. Thank you guys for being here, and I will see you guys tomorrow. Take care. Take care.
This indicator called 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6 trades. Almost 6 trades perfectly today. Most traders are stuck guessing entries using lagging indicators that tell you what already happened. By the time you get the signal, you've already missed the move, or worse, you're walking into a reversal. That's not a strategy, that's gambling. So with this Smooth Trader indicator, not only do you get unbelievable take profit and stop loss levels, but you also get the triple Lindy, letting you know on 3 different timeframes who's actually in control of the markets. And then lastly, you also get the histogram here, which measures the delta, letting you know if buyers or sellers are the ones being tracked. So stop reacting to the markets and start anticipating it. Click the link below, get instant access, and see exactly how this works on your charts today. The traders using it aren't waiting, and neither should you.